I'm trying to get to grow out. It broke off really bad, so I had to cut all my hair off. And it's in the bob. I didn't put any heat on it to straighten it. I just blunt cut it. And this is how much hair I cut. It's like 6 inches. So it's a bob. I'm happy to have hair on my head, first of all, and it broke off real bad, so here I am starting my hair journey all over again. Today is November 19th, and I'm not gonna cut it next year, but I cut it 3 times this year just to start my hair journey over, and it's textlaxed, and yeah, I'm gonna take you with me as I go through this process. Let's go. If you can, make sure you give me a thumbs up if you love this. Make sure you follow me over at 𝐸𝑚 on Instagram. I'm almost to 2,000 followers, and I appreciate it if you jump over there. This is June 2022. Hair looks so much healthier, doesn't it? I've been using Olaplex every single week, and I've been deep conditioning once a week. And if you want to order Olaplex, it'll be in the description box. All you have to do is click on it, and you can get the full set. It's protein heavy, so you have to make sure you be careful if your hair doesn't like protein. Here I am washing it. I'm going to condition it as well. And as you can see, I don't really mess my hair up when I'm washing it. I kind of pull it and finger comb it just to make sure that my scalp is clean, and I concentrate heavily on my scalp because that's where your hair grows from. In order to retain length, you have to take care of your ends. So here are my ends, and I'm going to cut about 1 inch off. I usually clip my hair every 8 weeks, and I dust it, but I really give it a trim every 6 months. So I take 1 inch off, and that's how I get my hair to grow so fast. A lot of people say, wow, you've been wasting it twice. This will be my 3rd time doing the hair journey, but who knows what can happen. So here I am clipping off 1 inch of hair. There you go. And as you can see in the front, it's a little bit thin because I wear a lot of buns. So I pull my hair back a lot, and I need to just go ahead and just let it be and wear some different types of protective styles. So here's my ends, and I'm combing it through. As you can see, I'm in a whole nother part of the state now. I moved away from where I used to live, and this is what it looks like now. So me using Olaplex, I love Olaplex. I really love the oil. That's my favorite product. If you want to see a tutorial on that, comment below and let me know. And I'm going to put some into my hair, and I'm going to concentrate heavily on my ends because I love to retain length. I do not use a lot of heat on my hair. I haven't used heat in a year, and I do not use a towel on my hair. I do not. I just let it air dry. And as you can see, I had to cold blow dry my hair to get it this straight. Once I get it straight, I clip my ends. That's it. I leave my hair alone. And I really love protective style braids. I'm trying to get into learning how to do more braids lately and everything. So if you love this video, make sure you comment below. Let me know if you liked it. Thank you so much for watching. Live your dreams, glam your lifestyle. Take care and give yourself self-care. Bye, everyone.